Due to work from home, we are sitting in front of computer quite a long time. For this, we must use office chair during work. It will give us comfort and as well as save ourselves from back pain. In this video, I am going to give unboxing and full review of Hetal Enterprise Ergonomic Mesh Office Chair. So if you are looking for a office chair or mesh chair which is very tight in budget and you want to get one of the good quality office chair, then this video is for you. So sit back, relax and watch this video till the end. So I bought it from Flipkart. Here you can see the product picture in Flipkart website. The price is around 3800, but I bought it around 3400 on offer days. Here you can see how it looks like on Flipkart. So it will be delivered within 10 to 20 days depending upon your location, and it has been delivered by Hetal Logistic. So seller name is HET or Hetal Enterprise and manufacturer is also same. So it has been delivered, and here you can see the product packing. So if you want to buy this product, I will give best buy link in the description. You can buy from there. So the packing, I can say first of all they use some cartoon and as well as they cover it with plastic. For the surface shipping, I must say this is a good packing. And it is a furniture product, so it took quite a long time and it will be delivered on the date which is scheduled. So that's the packing you can see. So I am now just unwrapping the packet and unboxing it. So here you can see no brand name or manufacturer, anything is not written there. So must be a generic product, just they are using some seller name to sell it. So here is the invoice. As I said, I bought it at 3419. So and this comes with 1 year warranty depending on manufacturing defect. So yeah, it is a very good because the seller is giving 1 year warranty on manufacturing defect. So here is the chair. Everything is set up. Just you have to attach two things: the base wheels or the base bracket and as well as the mounting socket, which will be a 360-degree rotation. So these two things you have to just attach it and just insert it, I can say, nothing more. Everything, the handle and the back mesh and the base, everything has been set up. So some other chairs I have seen the review, you have to setting up all those things, the back side, the handle and the main thing, everything you have to set up. But here everything is set up, just you have to attach the bottom side. Or here you can see this is the rotation on the main base or main connector which will be attached to the wheels. So here you can see this is 360-degree rotation, just insert it. So and the quality, build quality, I will say according to the price point is very good, because the main base and the total structure of the mesh or the back side is made of metal or iron, and the main connector or 360-degree rotation is made of steel, but the wheels of the main bottom is made of quite a thick plastic and the handle is plastic or ABS plastic, I can say. But it is a quite a good quality, and there is the double mesh that's been 2 times the mesh is there, and the top of the mesh there is a rexing. So that is not mesh, that is quite soft and rexing. You can put your head over there and you can feel very comfortable when you want to relax. So this is total setup you can see, and here you can see the back mesh also tilts. So when you push back it will tilt, and here you can see how it is being tilted, and if you just stretched out it will be automatically to the first position. So you can disable this tilt by locking using some mechanism is given there in the bottom. So you can lock the tilt if you don't want to tilting it, but if you want tilt you can use. So here you can see the back side socket is for locking and unlocking the tilt, and the front knob is for the height measurement. If you put it top and bottom, the total length of the steel, here you can see it is a spring, it will move up and down. So this is for height measurement, another one is for tilt, and the back side one spring is there which relax the tilt if you are not pushing hard. So here you can see it is a metal, everything is metal, so the package is quite a bit weight, was very high. So I must say according to the price point it is very good. And this is the spring, and don't try to open it because it is just a spring to stretch up the back from earlier position. So here you can see it is written, don't try to open, and it is just push it and set up and insert it and it will just work. So the height, you can say the website it mentioned around 104 centimeter, the default height up to the back side, but I measured the height from the bottom as normal position or the lowest position is 114 centimeter, and if you bring up the height, it will be around 125. So you can adjust the height between 114 centimeter to 125 centimeter, and you can see the top or the upper part of the mesh is of rexing. So if you are using in summer, there is quite a lot vent, you will get air from the back side, so that there is no problem. So that's all in this video. Do let me know in the comment section, do you want to buy this or not, and what is your opinion about this office chair. So thanks a lot for watching this video. If you want to buy this product, I will give best buy link in the description. Do buy from there, and if you have any question or query, ask in the comment section. I will be happy to help you. And that's all in this video. You can also use this chair for your YouTube setup or anything. You can do it whatever you want, but I must recommend at least use one office chair when you're working at home.